Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm back with another protective style personality unit, and this is a Afro curly undetectable invisible lace glueless frontal wig, and this wig is by Luvme hair, and this curly unit is 26 inches, and I did wash, deep condition, add a leave-in conditioner and mousse, and brush the hair through and let it air dry overnight. And this is exactly how the hair air dried. Very beautiful, very soft, very shiny. And I absolutely love that the lace is indeed tinted on this HD lace, and it's really important, especially because I have darker skin, that the lace goes well with my skin tone, and I was really happy that it did. And also with this wig, the hairline does appear to be a little bit pre-plucked, but of course you can always do a little more plucking to customize it a bit more. The lace on this unit does appear to be tinted rather than bleached, so the knots are a bit visible on this wig. And it does have kind of like a widow's peak hairline to this wig, so you would need to tweeze the hairline to get rid of that. But what I do appreciate about this wig, there is an elastic band in this wig that's sewn in, which makes extra security for this wig amazing to go glueless, which I plan to do. It does have 4 combs and a comb at the nape, and additional adjustable straps at the nape, along with, of course, the elastic band, which is ideal for me because I go glueless. And I noticed with this wig, which is different, it does have these extra loops on the side for even more security. So I plan to go absolutely glueless for hair health reasons, because I am on a healthy hair journey, and glue sometimes can be a bit tricky for me, especially when it comes to gluing it down, and that can cause some friction and tugging on your hairline and your hair. So I was really happy that I was able to apply this wig without glue. So the hair on this unit is super pretty, and when I tell y'all this wig isn't going really anywhere. So I was so happy that I was able to secure this wig without having to use glue. So as you can see, the hairline is pretty decent as far as beginner friendly. If you did not want to tweeze anymore on this unit, you do not have to, which I didn't, because I wanted to show you all exactly how this wig came. And of course, I'm going to cut away at the lace. And so far, so good, because I wanted to go glueless. Let's say you did want to melt your lace. I do like to use melting spray, but what's great about this unit and the lace on this unit, a lot wasn't needed to get the melt down, which I really appreciated, because, you know, sometimes melting your lace down can be kind of unhealthy for your natural hairline. So a very little amount went a very long way, and I absolutely love that. So I just did a couple pumps, just applied a little bit of pressure. You can use a scarf to melt it down even more, and it was already flawless as far as very minimal effort, which is great for beginners in my opinion also. This hair is super thick, so the more you fluff it out, the bigger it will get, and I really do feel like this would be absolutely stunning if you were to blow it out and do wand curls on this unit. So I will be doing a follow-up video to show you guys how I do that in the future, but it is so thick and so full, and the curls are absolutely gorgeous. So I left everything one length, but you can definitely add layers to this to give it a more, you know, shaped look, but I wanted to keep it quite long, and I love the side part in that I was able to go 100% glueless with this unit. What's great also about the thickness and density of this unit is because you can have this for a long time, because, you know, over time when you do wear a wig, it does thin out over time. So this is very thick and very full, and I do feel like this will last a very long time. So yeah, you all, that is about it for now. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all information about this unit will be down in the description below. And feel free to stick around to check out more of my protective style videos here.